Hello, hope you're in fine voice. Now, you may have come across a situation where you've done a voiceover recording and you listen back and it's coming out in one ear. You think, oh, is it my headphones? Or is it my speaker? Or is it my ear? Am I just hearing in one ear? And you can't put your finger on it. But if you go back into Audacity or whichever software you're using, but particularly Audacity, you'll notice a strange phenomenon. And it's because, bizarrely, you're recording in stereo and not in mono. Let me try and demo it to you, see what you think. So here's a recording, and as you can see, there's a waveform there, and this is the voice.
Sync QuickBooks to MailChimp to help grow your business.
Okay, and that's this is the left channel, this bit here. But if I play it, you'll see that
even more
there's only one line there. There should be two bars there, two green bars. And there's just one. But the most noticeable thing about this Audacity page is that there's nothing on the right-hand channel, which is this bit underneath. It's completely flat. It's flatlining. And all the action is taking place on the left channel, which is the one at the top. And bizarrely, paradoxically, as this may sound, it's because the person recording it was actually recording in stereo and not mono. And of course, we have one voice, we have one mouth and one microphone. So Audacity perceives that as being stereo. If you're recording in stereo, it says, well, there's nothing on the other channel. And the net effect is it comes out of one ear. So we need to fix that. We need to go to Tracks and then Mix. And it's Mix Stereo down to mono. And there we go. The bottom bit has gone. We've got one track here, which in fact will come out of both ears. And we can check that by just looking on this speaker meter here.
Sync QuickBooks to
and you can see there are two bars there, as opposed to one.
Marketing campaign.
I hope that solves the issue for you, the issue of one-legged, to give it the audio engineers correct term for it. So if your voiceover recording is one-legged, almost certainly that's what it's down to. It's the fact you're recording in stereo and you should be recording in mono. But there's always a quick fix there. You just go from stereo down to mono. Thank you very much for watching today. Look after your voice, and I'll see you next time.